Good morning, friends. I think I'll go skiing now.
You made it!
Alright, so she assures me that I can do this.
We're back at it.
We're gonna do this.
We're doing it.
Alright.
Here we are at Taos.
Ski time. And we're off.
So,
she promises she won't kill me.
Yep. Backflips are an hour in. We got warm up for a while first.
Okay, so, okay, cool.
Yeah.
Awesome.
And then backflips.
Nice. Thanks for lending me your helmet.
You're welcome.
She's awesome. Yep, I haven't skied in about a year. I said that every year.
2 years. You didn't come last year.
I didn't ski last year? Wow, no wonder I'm out of shape. Alright, hopefully this won't kill me. Alright, so I made it down my first run successfully. Yay. I'm going to do one more warm-up. Maybe Jesse will get a little bit of footage of me going in slow motion down this hill. This sure is fun, though.
Yeah.
You're awesome, Jesse.
You're awesome. It's fun.
I'm so blessed. I told you guys.
Can't even tell she hasn't skied in a while. So this run is Bonanza, and this is another green run at Taos. This one's a bit steeper than White Feather. It's normally great, but I have half of it closed off for the racing right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but even then, it's still a good run.
Are we going to try that or no?
That one's the one the lift 8 goes to.
Okay.
Hey, that's
a
my
little
friend
steep.
Jeff. That's the guy that was a PJ and skied in 37 minutes.
Cool.
That's just nuts. Yeah, so that's a good one, but we're going up to lift 2. We're going on a blue run, but it's actually easier than this. It's like labeled weirdly, so.
Alright.
It's the easiest blue run, and this is the hardest green run, so you know.
So if this is the last video you see of me, it means that didn't work.
The panty tree,
Huh?
The panty tree.
The panty tree? Yeah. Oh my goodness, that's great.
Every skier is what it has when they started at Aspen.
Wow.
Yeah.
Alright, to the top. Run of the day. Had so much fun. Thank you, Jesse. Thanks for just everything.
Thanks for coming.
You're awesome.
You're awesome.
See, for my Christmas present, she gave me free skiing, a little bit of lesson, and a whole lot of encouragement. My kid's the best. So everyone at the Taos Ski Valley loves me because they haven't had snow in a long time. Last time I came here, I got snowed in so hard it took me 4 days to get home. So guess what? It's supposed to dump snow tonight. So I was going to spend the night again tonight and leave out early in the morning, but it's supposed to start snowing about 10 o'clock tonight, snow all night long, and half the day tomorrow. So I am scrambling out of the mountains real quick. It's about 4 o'clock. I'm hoping I can get down to I-40 and beyond and find a spot to land. Yep, it was sure fun skiing with my daughter. Lots and lots of fun. I hope whatever you did this weekend, you had a blast too, and didn't get stuck in the snow. Stay lost, my friends.
That peak over there, that's Kachina Peak. It only has black and double black diamond runs off of it. 5 years ago they put the lift in, 4 or 5 years ago after it was sold. Before that you had to hike from right here up over the ridge and up to get there.
Wow.
So there's like this big thing now where like half the old schoolers at least are bitter about it. They want it reserved for people that are willing to hike. So whenever there's enough snow to open it, the first few days is hike only.
Cool.
And then they open the lift and then you can go up to the top.
Interesting.